Okay, so in previous session we have discussed about Node.js introduction. I mean, what is Node.js, why it is used, what are the benefits of Node.js, what is npm, what are the callback functions, error callback functions. So we all discussed about that, and finally we have discussed about Node.js template creation. I mean, project creation by using npm init, and we have discussed some sample API. Now, in this session, we will discuss about MongoDB CRUD queries and MongoDB connection. If it is possible, we will discuss about MongoDB connection. So why? Because after this session, we will start to write the APIs in Node.js. The database is MongoDB. Okay, that's why before going to write the APIs in Node.js which integrated with MongoDB, first of all, we must know the basic knowledge of MongoDB. Writing some basic queries, CRUD related queries. So how to create the collection, how to create the database, and how to get the data from data collection, and how to update the collection, how to delete the collection. Once you know how to write the queries for CRUD operations, then you can easily write the Node APIs in Node.js. Why? Because just copy that query and paste it in Node.js API. So that is enough. Okay. So that is the beauty of the Node.js. Okay. Suppose if you consider in Java integrated with MongoDB, if you want to write the APIs in Java which is integrated with MongoDB, then it feels some difficult. Why? Because we need to import some packages like Mongo client, Mongo template. After that, what are the, suppose in MongoDB, sort method is there. Okay, so how to implement sort functionality in Java? So that thing you need to do some R&D work. Why? Because you have to import some packages like Mongo template and Mongo client. So in that packages, so how to use the sort functionality, that thing you must know. But coming to the Node.js, just whatever you have written the query in MongoDB, you just take that query and copy it, paste it in Node.js API. So that is enough. After that, after getting the response, you can write the logic whatever you want, whatever the requirement. Okay, so that is the important. So now MongoDB. So MongoDB means it is a document type database which accepts data in normal data as well as JSON format also. Okay, so here how to download the MongoDB means, just go to the Google and here you can download it. After that, you just click on next button for installation. That is enough. Okay, and what are the tools are available for MongoDB? These are the tools. So you can install. So this is the download link for MongoDB. After downloading installation, you can able to write the queries in command prompt. But if you use integrate IDE, then you can know the what are the features are available, and so many you can have so many features, and typing is user friendly. Okay, so look and feel is very good. That's why we will go for tools. So here these are the tool names, so you can use any one of them. Studio 3T is the powerful GUI for MongoDB. Why? Because it provides so many features like backup, restore. So many features are there. So while writing one method, it will show the definition of that method also. So that type of intelligence will come in Studio 3D. So it will give 1 month free. After that, I think we need to pay something. Okay, so this is not free version. So Robo 3D is free version, but it will not provide any definitions or intelligence like Studio 3D. Okay, so I have installed Robo 3D in my laptop. So after installation, how do you connect locally? I will discuss. After clicking on Robo 3D, so Robo 3D is also, it is free. Just here Studio 3D is there. So you can, if you want to practice in Studio 3D, you can click on download Studio 3D. Okay, so this is the website. After clicking on next for installation, you just open that Robo 3D, and here you will be able to see screen like this. In this, create new connection. Here by default it will give localhost. Okay, and it will not it will not accept some username and password. That means no need to give username and password. Why? Because it is localhost. Okay, so if you want to connect the MongoDB which is stored in, which is installed in server, then it will accept some server IP, and here username and password and database name. Okay, you need to give all these parameters. If you want to connect to local, then no need to give all this, you just give localhost and port number. This is the default port number for MongoDB. And click on this test. See. And here you can give any name. So I'm giving local server save connect. So here, what are the existing database are available, it will display. Okay, so here first of all you need to know how to create the database and how to move the one from, how to move from one database to another database. Okay, here if you click on this, right click on this, you will be able to see open shell. Here use, see this, these are the, first of all these are the available database. By using command also you can able to see the list of databases. Okay, show DBS. So these are the list of databases available. Okay, so how to create the database? I'm going to create test database. Okay, it is not available. Test. Now execute this. Test is not available, but it is created. So it is not showing. Why? Because it doesn't have any collections. Okay, so collections means here RDBMS. I think all of you know that SQL Server or MySQL, some basic concepts. I mean terms. RDBMS, we call it as table. In MongoDB, we call it as collection. In RDBMS, we call it as columns or fields. So here also same. And here rows or records, here we call it as documents. Okay, so columns, you can call it as fields like this. Okay, so don't confuse that. Whenever I am trying to pronunciate documents means that is nothing but records or rows. Okay, so here I am executing this command use test, and I am trying to create one collection. That means one table in MongoDB. Create collection. This is the command, and you can give the name. I mean employee. So here you will get the response. Okay. Now see this show DBs. Now test database is coming to the picture. That means once you create the collection in a database, then only you can able to see the database name by using show DBS. Okay. So next, suppose I want to move to the next database, then also I want to move database D3. So what are the tables are available? So what are the collections are available? Just type show collections. These are the collections are available in D3. So I want to move to test database. Just execute use test. That means use DB name. This command will check whether database exists with the given name or not. If it is exist, then it will move to that database. It will not exist, then it will create the database with the name of this one, whatever you have given. Okay, so for creating the database and moving to the database, that is same command, use command. Okay, so show collection means it will show the list of collections available in a particular database. See this. Under the test database, only one collection is there. Okay. Next, insert queries. That means inserting, how to insert the documents. There are two ways. Like first one is insert. So db dot emp. So here observe this. I am not taking the employee collection. I am taking EMP collection. Okay. Insert here EMP number onto ename see this collection does not exist in the test database. EMP does not exist in the test database. See, inserted one record. That means this command purpose is it will check whether this collection exists or not. EMP collection exists or not. If does not exist, it will create the collection and then it will insert one document. Okay. So here, go right click on this, refresh, test database is there. See this, two collections are there. In this, there are no documents. In this, documents are there. Okay. Now, I want to insert multiple objects. This is one object, but I want to insert multiple objects. Okay. So, I'm going to take this object here 3, 4. Five, 6. What will happen? Insert one record. Okay. So these two records are inserted. Okay. So next, same thing, insert many. So you can use any one of them. So you can execute this. Two more records will be inserted into the collection. See this. Okay, so generally if you want to insert multiple objects, we will go for insert many. If you want to insert single document, then you go for insert. Okay, so if you want to execute, if you execute again, then see, 2 records are inserted. See this here. Did you observe the difference? When you are trying to execute this insert statement, then it will return only one sentence in one record, one document has been inserted. When you are trying to insert this by using insert many, it will show acknowledged true insert IDs. So what are the insert IDs, object IDs for the documents? So these object IDs is same as like this. See this. These two object IDs will be returned by this insert many statement. Okay, so how many objects have been inserted, that count you will be getting, and object IDs also you will be getting. Okay, so this type of response you will get by using insert many. If you use insert, you will not get this. Okay, so in API side, if you use insert many, then this type of response will be getting, then it will be used in returning into the web developers. Okay, if you use insert many, then this type of response you will get. Okay, so this object ID will be useful to you. Okay, you can return to the web developers. So next, types of update queries. So how to update the query? How to write the update query? So db.emp update series update 1 and here in this tree structure, this view results in tree mode. Okay, if you click on this, you can able to see the data like this. If you click on this, view results in table mode, just like RDBMS structure. If you click on this, object mode. Okay, so here this, if you want to delete it, so you can delete it. Okay, and 1 2. Okay, so I am inserting one more record. See this 1 2. So 1 2 is coming for twice. Employee number 1 2 is coming for twice. So update. I am going to update employee number 1 2 salary with 40,000. So first of all, we need to write db.emp.update1 and in the brackets, what will be the condition? So which employee number you are passing? That means EMP number 12. After that, set sal with 40. Okay, so how many documents are for employee number 12? 2 documents, this one. Okay, so I am using update 1 statement. This one record is updated. Check this, one record, that is to first record, that means first document. Okay, so second document it will ignore. Okay, so that is the difference. That means as it name itself, it will update only one document. Okay, if you want to update more documents, then you just go for update menu. So here I am going to update 50,000. So see this 40, 10,000. So two records, matched count, modified count. So two records are matched and two records are modified. See this? So this is this one. Okay. So this is the query to update the documents based on the condition. So here, first of all, here in this update menu block, two objects we need to write, two objects we need to give. First object, it will contains where condition. Okay. And second object, it will contain expression. What do you want to do? Okay. So what do you want to update? That is the second parameter. Next, find query. Find query means how to get the data. So CRUD, create, retrieve, update, delete. Okay. So how to get the data? db.emp.find with the flower brackets, and if you write like this, then it will return all the documents in the EMP collection. Okay. If you want to get particular document, just write the field name, EMP number, and give the value. So you will get matched records. Okay. Next, delete. How to delete it? db.emp.delete just give this, see what will happen. True, deleted count 1. See this? So 1 2, you have given employee number of 1 2. So if you use delete 1, then it will delete only first document of the table, I mean collection. Okay. If you give delete many, then it will delete all the documents based on the condition. Okay, for this it is better to insert one more time and check this. Now documents are coming twice, same documents. Okay, I mean both documents are having same employee number. So execute it. So acknowledge true, deleted count 2.0. Okay, check this. Two documents are deleted. If you don't put this condition, see what will happen. See, deleted count. That means it will delete entire all documents. 0 records. Okay. This is about CRUD related queries.